Kapagpasyal tayo dito sa Damansara Sianwa. Ayan. First time tayo magpa-vlog dito guys sa Damansara Sianwa. Yan, jalan-jalan tayo dito. Ayan guys. Nakarating din sa may Damansara Sianwa. Live muna tayo dito guys for 5 minutes. This is street food. Live muna tayo habang may hinihintay. Yes. Nice view in Kota Damansara. Bukit Damansara. Bukit Damansara ito guys. Ayan, hindi ko pa na-meet si Sisbel dito sa Damansara. Diba? Street food. Tanong-tanong muna guys. Roti. Kasi ay bang dito at saka public bank. Makadikit lang guys. Okay. Don't have roti chani. No anything. Behind them. Iwas tayo. May bus stop din kaya dito. Waiting the bus stop here. There also got try street food only here. Yan guys, nice to view here. I'm searching the street food. Yeah, there. Jalan-jalan tayo dito guys. Makapasyal sa Damansara. Damansara. Makapasyal pa dito guys. Ayan. Saan kaya banda si Sisbel Dini? Ayan. Malaki yung Damansara. Magaganda yung mga bahay dito. Ayan. Hot cup. I try to look the so high. I need it to the mountain. Ang building dito sa Damansara. Oh, roti chani. I took to him got the roti chani. Roti chani. Maghanap tayo ng makakain. Oh, ada roti chani. How much this one? To order?
71.
Oh, okay. To order. Wait, my friend. I waiting my friend. I eating her. Roti chani. Order roti chani. Guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, nice to view.